Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be covering Wolf Capital here, which I did put and still am putting it in the riskier side of things. However, they are now producing real revenue through their trading. Now, if you take a look in their Discord servers and look at the proof that they've been giving in terms of their trades, it has been crazy, and they're working with $5.87 million in trading, and they're producing some crazy returns. So they've been going for quite a few months now, maybe 4 or 5 months, something like that. And today they're bringing out NFTs. So let's go and check my account first of all. If we go over to the stake, you can see I have put 1K in. I have withdrawn $848 so far. And yeah, my initial stake unlocks in 1 hour on this wallet. However, I do have a second wallet as well where I have also staked $1,000, but my initial 1,000 is essentially locked for a month, right? And then you can 2 months, sorry, and then you can take it out. So if I want, I can go and unstake this right now and be out of the project. But I don't want to do that because it's still doing very well, still growing well, and we're making about 1% a day on the trades. Now, again, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in DeFi is risky, and Wolf Capital is very risky as well. Okay, like any other DeFi project. It's a bit different from my yield farming. This is a lot riskier, of course, with it being sort of 1% a day. But the team behind Wolf Capital have ran many projects in the past and never rugged, and this one is doing very well so far. However, in this video, I wanted to cover their new NFTs that are coming out. So, Wolf Capital NFT Collection, limited edition, unlimited potential. This is your shot at the big leagues. Wolf Capital NFT Collection, 500 pieces of pure power. Each NFT is a key, unlocking unique benefits like copy trading, extended yield accumulation, and shares of our upcoming WolfBet Casino. This isn't just an investment, it's a ticket to the top. Alpha is calling, are you ready to answer? So, this is pretty cool to see, right? You've got the copy trading, so you can actually copy their trades in the back end of the trades that they're making for the project. You can then go ahead and copy those. Extended yield accumulations that extend your ROI, I guess, and shares an upcoming WolfBet Casino, which will be interesting. And these are the types of so let's take a look, right? Extended yield accumulation. All Wolf Capital NFT holders enjoy extended yield accumulation period. Instead of the standard 10 days, your yield can accumulate for up to 14 days. This means you can let your stake grow for a longer period of time without needing to claim, providing you have more flexibility in managing your stakes and saving a bit on the gas. So how Wolf Capital works is you have to claim every 10 days maximum. Otherwise, you don't then earn any more dividends on that unless you claim. So you can claim once a week every 7 days, but you have to do it every 10 days. Otherwise, your rewards stop accumulating. But with an NFT, that boosts up to 14 days, which is pretty cool because that saves on gas as well. Copy trading. As Wolf Capital NFT holder, you get exclusive access to our trading strategies. Copy our trades on BitGet, our partner exchange, and leverage our expertise in enhancing your portfolio's performance. Crypto off-ramp. This is interesting. So as an NFT holder, you'll be among the first to benefit from our upcoming off-ramp service. Once launched, you'll enjoy advantageous off-ramping fees that are significantly lower than the market standard. Additionally, Tier 1 holders will receive a physical Alpha debit card free of charge. This is awesome. This is our commitment to making your future crypto experience more seamless, efficient, and cost-effective. Now, I will say, when you start talking about debit cards, of course, a lot of people are going to think stable fund and what they did, but it's a bit different from that, I suppose, especially when Wolf Capital have ran many projects in the past and have never rugged. However, this debit card, I think a lot of projects have tried to do this, but not done it very well. I know iBots have managed to do it, so if they can do something similar to that, then awesome. And casino shares. We're proud to announce our phase 2 plan, WolfBet Casino. By acquiring a Tier 1 or Tier 2 NFT, become a shareholder in our WolfBet Casino. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a share of the casino's monthly profits, 10% for Tier 1 and 5% for Tier 2. Moreover, Tier 1 and Tier 2 holders will be granted SVIP status when they join the casino. That is pretty awesome. Okay, so NFT mint cooldown 5 days left. So it looks like the top NFT here is 5K. Copy trading extended. So this gets you all of the additional benefits. The 2.5K, which is the beta NFT features copy trading, extended yield accumulation, reduced off-ramp fees, and WolfBet's Casino. The $900 NFT is copy trading and extended yield collections. Okay, and you can see your NFT portfolio. So there's some pretty good alpha here with Wolf Capital. Again, I would go ahead and join the Discord if you want more information on how they're doing. But yeah, I mean, they've had a revamp of the UI. The UI looks really good. I like what they're doing here. And I just like what they're doing with it. I mean, it's a pretty good project. The founder, OXaura, and Trav, they are great guys. Spoke to them many times. Yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the video. Quick little update here with Wolf Capital with the NFTs coming out. Let me know down below what you think of the NFTs. Will you be grabbing one? Let me know. But yeah, on this wallet, we make about $9 a day. And on my other wallet, we make $13.50 a day. So what's that, like 20 bucks, 21 bucks a day from Wolf Capital, which isn't bad. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.